Have you ever found yourself in a situation where your business needs a quick cash injection, but traditional banks seem to move at a snail's pace, buried under mountains of paperwork? Maybe you got a fantastic opportunity, a chance to expand, or simply need to bridge a temporary cash flow gap. But getting that essential funding feels like navigating a labyrinth. If that sounds familiar, then you're exactly who we're talking to today. We're diving deep into Fundbox, an online lender that's built a reputation for fast, flexible financing for small businesses. So, what are the fundamental requirements? Fundbox generally looks for businesses that have been operating for at least 3 months. This isn't a long time, making a viable option for even relatively new ventures. Beyond that, they'll want to see that your business is generating a certain level of revenue. The typical minimum annual revenue requirement for Fundbox is around $30,000. Crucially, you'll need an active business checking account. This is paramount because Fundbox relies heavily on analyzing your bank account transaction history to assess your creditworthiness. They want to see consistent cash flow, regular deposits, and responsible management of your business finances. So, if your business transactions are currently all mixed in with your personal banking, now is the time to separate them. Now, while they put less emphasis on personal credit than some, it's still a factor. Fundbox generally looks for a personal credit score of above 600. This is considered a fair credit score, which again makes Fundbox more accessible than many other financing options that demand excellent credit. If your personal credit score is lower than that, it doesn't necessarily mean an outright rejection, but it might influence the terms you're offered. Beyond these core eligibility points, let's talk about the what to prepare aspect. Fundbox prides itself on a streamlined, often automated application process. They primarily connect directly to your business checking account or accounting software to pull the necessary financial data. This is where the magic happens and why their approval process can be so incredibly fast. Sometimes a decision in minutes and funding as soon as the next business day. So, while you won't be submitting stacks of physical documents, what does this connection actually entail in terms of preparation? 1. Your business checking account. This is your primary document, even if it's not a physical one you're uploading. Ensure your business checking account is active and has at least 3 months of transaction history. The more consistent your revenue and cash flow, the better. Fundbox's algorithms will analyze this data to understand your business's financial health, your ability to generate revenue, and your historical spending patterns. Make sure there are no unusual or suspicious transactions that could raise red flags. If you recently opened the account, give it a little time to build up that transaction history before applying. 2. Accounting software optional, but recommended if you use accounting software like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks. Fundbox can often integrate directly with it. This provides an even richer data set for their assessment, giving them a more holistic view of your business's financial performance. This can include your profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and other vital financial reports. If you're using one of these platforms, ensure your financial records are up to date and accurate. Clean, well-organized books always paint a better picture. 3. Basic business information. You will need to provide fundamental details about your business. This typically includes asterisk your legal business name. Ensure it matches official registrations. Asterisk business address, your physical operating location. Asterisk business phone number and email for communication. Asterisk employer identification number, EIN, also known as a federal tax ID number. This identifies your business for tax purposes. Asterisk industry type. Fundbox works with a wide range of industries, including retail, professional services, healthcare, and construction, but some high-risk industries might be restricted. Asterisk date business started. To verify the 3 months in business requirement. Asterisk number of employees. While not a strict qualifying factor, it helps them understand the scale of your operations. 4. Personal information. Even though it's a business loan, they'll need some personal details for verification purposes and to run that soft credit check. This will include asterisk your full legal name, as it appears on your government-issued ID, asterisk your date of birth, asterisk your social security number, SSN for identity verification, and to check your personal credit score, asterisk your personal residential address. 5. Understanding your financial needs. while not a document. Having a clear understanding of why you need the funds and how you plan to use them is incredibly important. Fundbox offers a revolving line of credit, which means you can draw funds as needed up to your approved limit and repay them to free up more credit. This flexibility is a key advantage. Knowing your purpose, whether it's for inventory, payroll, marketing, or bridging a specific cash flow gap, will help you determine the appropriate amount to request and manage your repayments effectively. Now, let's talk about the application process itself. It's designed to be quick and user-friendly. Step 1. The online application. You'll typically start by visiting the Fundbox website. The initial application is very short, usually taking just a few minutes to complete. You'll input your basic business and personal information. Step 2. Connect your data. This is the crucial step. You'll be prompted to securely connect your business checking account or your accounting software. Fundbox uses advanced technology to analyze this data instantly. This is a secure process, and they emphasize that they only read your data. They don't store your login credentials. This step is why you can often get a credit decision so quickly. Step 3. Receive a credit decision. Once your data is analyzed, Fundbox will provide a credit decision. This can happen in a matter of minutes. If approved, you'll be presented with your approved credit limit, which can range from $1,000 to $150,000, though some sources mention up to $250,000, $500,000, or $1 million for larger businesses, depending on the product type and the repayment terms. Step 4. Draw funds. If you accept the terms, you can then draw funds from your line of credit. The funds are typically deposited into your business bank account as soon as the next business day. In conclusion, preparing for your Fundbox application isn't about gathering a mountain of physical documents. It's about ensuring your business's financial house is in order. Your business checking account is active and well-maintained, and you have a clear understanding of your funding needs. By meeting their basic eligibility criteria, being in business for at least 3 months, generating around $30,000 in annual revenue, having an active business checking account with good transaction history, and a personal credit score above 600, you're well on your way. The seamless integration with your bank account or accounting software means the process is often surprisingly quick and straightforward. If you're a small business looking for flexible, fast access to working capital, Fundbox could be the solution you've been searching for. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.